I want you to raise your hand if this is you. You see these beautiful homes I post each week and you say, these are great, but what do I do about all these amenities that I really could care less about? I don't care if this place has a water park for an amenity center where there's kids splashing all over the place. And a lot of people are gonna love that, but I will never use it. I don't care that the community center is 5,000 square feet and beautiful. I'm never gonna go there. I don't care that this community has all these amenities. Well, what you should probably look at then is a community like what I'm sitting in today. This is Broken Oak in Georgetown, and they went kind of a different way, and something that I really like, which is rather than put a ton of resources into these amenities, they have decided to pare down and instead just create really great homes at really great prices. What we're in today is currently priced at $574,900, which for the value I'm getting ready to show you at just shy of 3,000 square feet on one level is really, really hard to match. And they're able to accomplish it because the developers aren't putting all of these resources into amenities that if you don't need them and you're not getting any use out of them, you're just spending money on them in the form of HOA dues and higher lot premiums and some of these things that have to go into getting those types of amenities. So without further ado, I want to take you through and walk this beautiful plan from Highland Homes. This is the Chesterfield, just shy of 3,000 square feet, all on one level, and it's really, really hard not to like. I'm gonna take you through, highlight some of my favorite features. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this floor plan? What do you think of this style of living? Do you need the extra amenities in your neighborhood? Or are you okay going without, knowing that you'll probably get a little bit more bang for your buck when it comes time to actually build the home? Let me know. As always, reach out if you have questions. I am JW Rader. I am passionate about a real estate experience that is tailored to you and one that doesn't suck, because so many of them out there do. So if you ever have questions, I am always happy to be your real estate resource. Without further ado, let's walk through this beautiful plan. All right, y'all, talk to me. How much do we love this floor plan? Do you see the value here when you're not spending all the additional monies on amenities, and instead you're putting it right here where it might matter most to you, which is the home? Let me know in the comments, like and subscribe as always so you don't miss anything we're posting about what's going on here in the Austin real estate scene. I am here to be your resource if you ever have questions. So happy to help. That is what I do. Thanks for tagging along and watching with me, guys. We'll see you next time.